this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures. Did I fake it well? Because, oh my gosh, I'm sick. Yes. Yesterday I did the photo shoot for about 6 hours for the diamond painting book that I'm writing with a publisher from California. It was so much fun. I got home around 3:30, walked through the door. My husband had been in bed all day, sick. My daughter's at snow camp, and I decided to lay down for half an hour with him, and when I woke up, I was this sick. Oh my gosh, my nose is unbelievable stuffy, and I'm sitting here trying to figure out how do I get out of work tomorrow when I have 5 clients. So, we will see what happens. But anyway, enough about me. You are here because you want to see what I got here. I know many of you are not subscription box people. This is not necessarily a diamond painting video. However, it is a crafting type channel, so I wanted to show you. So I moved my whip in progress over to the left over here and thought, hey, let's open this up. So this is Confetti Collection. I think it's like just around $20. I'll put the link down below. And it's a every other month subscription. So I will put the link somewhere up here in the corners. I can't see what you're seeing. So somewhere in the top corner there will be a little eye that you can click on and see my unboxing that I did from 2 months ago. So this is... It's a 2019 award winner of the U.S. subscription box, and it was delivered to me a couple days ago. You can check it out at www.confetticollection.com, and I like it because it's like matchy. Just give me a second. I have to grab my slicer. Okay. So because I took like 5 boxes of stuff to be photographed yesterday, I'm still trying to figure out where I put everything. The nice thing is it gave me the opportunity to organize, but now I'm at the point of where do I put the stuff that I don't know where it goes. Okay. Woo! So... really nice box. I kept the box from last time as well because it's nice and sturdy. And it has this fun paper in it. Be careful. Don't get it on the floor. It'll catch it in your vacuum cleaner. And then it comes with this tissue paper and this sticker. Ooh. So, this theme is surprise. Which box did you get? Something juicy or wish upon a star? In your box, you'll find a little bit of everything. We've included something for your desk, something for your feet, something for your thoughts, and more. Need a last-minute gift? Use the gift bag and shred and share something with your friend. We'd love to see your unboxing videos and photos. Use the hashtag Confetti Collection Box when you post them. So I really like, that they just respect the fact that some of the things in here you may not like, but your friend may like. So let's get started. I'm going to put this out of video. And we're going to go through it. So it is also all packaged like so. Okay. Crinkle, crinkle alert. And I still have to go through my last one and figure out what I want to keep and what I want to share. Alright. So this is Shine Bright by C.R. Gibson. It's got this little, isn't that cute? Shine Bright. It's got this little pull tab. And, oh, adorable. Socks are in this year. So these are cute, fun star socks. It's a cute box. Okay. So we'll just put that right there. All right, they love tassels. This is also C.R. Gibson. Keychain. So that's cute. I'm not sure what this is. I don't know if it's just filler or something fun. Okay, so this is a pouch with tassel. And in here they just have to make it look nice in the bag and not get smashed. Those roses are so pretty. I love that teal color. It's my favorite color. This is a luggage tag. This is awesome. I should have opened this before my daughter went to snow camp. They had to stop at the local mega store and get a luggage tag. So it says, vacation calories don't count. Isn't that great? And then inside, it's got a beautiful little buckle with that rose gold. Okay, this is a cord keeper. Oh, this is awesome. I can use this. Oh, they snap. Okay. Keepers, plural. That's awesome. Right? And I have a cord right here. It's actually on my floor. So let's see if this works. Alright, so that's my iPhone cord. Isn't that cute? Oh, so fun. Okay, this is just a little journal that you can throw in your purse, do a shopping list, write down gift ideas, you know, different thoughts or quotes that you see. Oh, these are cute. They're 10 star-shaped paper clips. I always go through on AliExpress and look at the fun paper clips. I got penguin-shaped paper clips for my nephew for Christmas. I think you guys saw the unboxing. I found llama clips for my friend at work. Yeah, so isn't that fun? So you get 10 of them. Yeah, so all this stuff for $20, not bad. I'll put the link down below, like I said. I'm not doing this packaging justice here. Star will have to fall. And then I like that they always give a bag. And then you can put the shredding. This one says yay. So if there's anything in here you want to give to a friend or any past, that's just such a fun idea for a subscription box, because you know there's going to be some things that you may not use. Like this tassel, I'm not a big tassel fan. So you may see this in an upcoming giveaway, or if I run into a friend and realize they are a tassel fan, I can just throw this and some of that shredding in this box and just do a like, hey, care about you. I'm so glad you're my friend. So yeah, this is awesome. Just a little something for yourself or for a friend. So I hope you like this video. Normally this channel is diamond painting, but I do love this gift box and I can use many of the things that's in it. Up to you to decide if you like it or not, or check out subscription boxes that might be good for you. So thank you so much. I hope next time my cold I'm about ready to sneeze, so I'm signing off as quick as possible. So yes, down below, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, hit the like button if you like this video, and I love you all. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye. Okay, I found something in the bottom of the package that I forgot to share, And this is a to bring you good luck. So it's just kind of a little thing to go maybe in the bottom of your purse, in your change purse, just something cute to have. So I didn't want the Confetti Collection to see that I missed this. So here you go. Thank you so much, guys. Love you. Bye-bye.